Hi, my name's Krish. I'm the UK North and International Account Manager for Haymar Company Limited. Welcome to today's product spotlight and demonstration. So we're very excited to introduce you to the ideal Ergo-Elite Stripmaster, which is this product here. And this product is absolutely brilliant. It will revolutionize the way that you work, and it will also increase your productivity levels as well. So the Ergo-Elite Stripmaster tool. This tool has been designed to simplify your tasks and save you valuable time. Whether you are a professional or a student, this tool will become your ultimate companion. Some of the key benefits of using the tool. The Ergo-Elite Stripmaster is a complete tool which includes the new unmatched mil-spec precision blades with a patented revolutionary design. The tool is ergonomically engineered for superior comfort, balance and control, constructed of rigid polyurethane reinforced with carbon fibre, providing excellent strength at 40% the weight of metal hand tools, reducing the risk of RSI. One-step stripping action grips, penetrates and removes wire insulation with unmatched precision in one effortless squeeze. So no matter what industry you're in, this tool will adapt to your needs. As you can see, it is a complete game changer. It will streamline your workflow, boost your productivity, and ultimately help you achieve your goals more efficiently. So thank you for joining us today for this product spotlight and demonstration. I hope you found it informative. If you would like any more information on the Ergo-Elite Stripmaster, please do not hesitate to contact us. We're more than happy to provide you with all the information you need for the product. So thank you so much for joining us, and you have a productive day.